Good morning, students. Here, Neela ma'am from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, that is yoga. Today my topic is here meditation. Today you are going to learn about meaning of meditation, benefits of meditation and types of meditation. Okay, so let's start. Meditation, it can be defined as a set of techniques that are intended to encourage a heightened state of awareness and focused attention. Meditation is also a consciousness changing technique that has been shown to have a wide number of benefits on psychological well-being. So dhyana or meditation is the prior stage of samadhi. Dhyana is a process of complete stability of mind. According to Patanjali, the concentration of chitta means mind, on an impulse vritti without any divergence is called dhyana. Meditation, another name is also dhyana. Indeed, the concentration and the process of thinking on any subject or object is called dhyana. The stage when perception starts directly is called real dhyanavastha. The way in which we can see an object directly in front of our eyes. In the same way, if we are able to clarify the subtle perceptions of mind, in front of our internal eyes, it should be assumed the stage of dhyana, that is meditation, is reached to clarify the subtle perception into the sight of mind. If this stage is clarified, the stage of dhyana is clarified itself. For example, as in the practice of Yog Nidra, by naming the trees, plants, fruits, flowers, etc. It is said to clarify by imagination only. In the beginning, we don't see anything, but gradually, by creating figures in imagination, images appear one after the other. When the stage of imagination is deep, and the image of a particular object is seen, it is called the stage of meditation. When an individual attains such concentration, it is converted to the stage of dhyana, and whatever he or she thinks or imagines in this stage, he or she starts seeing them clearly. Dhyana is not a practice, but it is a stage in which there is a continuous dynamic consciousness without any obstruction. So dhyana is not practiced, but it is a stage that is attained and experienced. Then benefits of meditation. Benefits of meditations are gaining a new perspective on stressful situations, building skills to manage your stress, increasing self-awareness, focusing on the present, reducing negative emotions, increasing imagination and creativity, increasing patience and tolerance also. These are the benefits of meditation. So there are 9 popular types of meditation practice. First is mindful meditation. Second is spiritual meditation. Third is focused meditation. Number 4, movement meditation. Number 5, mantra meditation. Number 6, transcendental meditation. Number 7, progressive relaxation. Number 8, loving kindness meditation. Number 9, visualization meditation. So there are total 9 types of meditations. You will learn about all these types of meditation. So first of all, I will discuss about first type of meditation, that is mindfulness. So mindfulness meditation originates from Buddhist teachings and is the most popular meditation technique in the West. In mindfulness meditation, you pay attention to your thoughts as they pass through your mind. You don't judge the thoughts or become involved with them. You simply observe and take note of any patterns. This practice combines concentration with awareness. You may find it helpful to focus on an object or your breath while you observe any bodily sensations. So this is about mindfulness meditation. In the next video, you will learn about remaining 8 popular types of meditation practice, that is spiritual meditation, focused meditation, movement meditation, mantra meditation, transcendental meditation, progressive relaxation, loving kindness meditation, and visualization meditation. Okay students, till then stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care, and try to complete your work on time. Try to prepare notes, whatever videos are being uploaded in school app. Try to watch and prepare notes on time. Thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy. God bless all of us. Thank you.